Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Google Authenticator on Binance. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open up your Binance application on your mobile device and simply log in with your account. It's mandatory that your Binance account be verified to carry out transfer or account linking. You won't be able to perform any transfer if it isn't verified. And after logging, tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner to open up settings. Then a number of options will start appear in front of you. Simply select security here. Now inside security settings, access authentication app and tap on manage. Then simply tap on enable authenticator app and all of the steps will be displayed. Just follow these steps accordingly and you'll be able to link authenticator with your Binance account. On the first step, either you can use the QR code to scan and link it, or you can just copy the code for linking purposes. After that, open up your Play Store and search for Google Authenticator. After that, open it up and then tap on the plus icon, select enter a setup key, and then paste the 16-digit code you just copied. And then copy the newly generated authenticator code and paste it inside the Binance to link it completely. And that's how you can enable Google Authenticator on Binance. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.